I would like to welcome you all, one and all of you, for having taken time out from your busy schedules and being here. The day that we are here today especially is also about the 25 years of igus. We are also expanding, and our target is to become more and more closer to the customer.
Any part that we are going in, we are normally reducing 20 to 80% on weight. That means we are also contributing one way to the environment and environment emissions. We have a program called Change, where we collect all the used plastic energy chains from whichever manufacturer it is. We collect it back from our customers and then we recycle them responsibly.
The bike you see here, it's made from 60% recycled plastics. It's not true that plastic is a weak material. If you design it right, it's one of the strongest materials we have. And now it's a pleasure that the bike arrived here with the official tour start here today in India. If you go on this website, you can find almost daily reports of the igus bike tour. So we are very excited to launch the tour here today.